That's a good one. I can tell. I can feel it.
Sounded good.
All right, flip it.
Yeah, let her have it.
There you go. Now you can get driving.
If there was any question about how good his forge weld was, starting to look like an axe.
Oh, go on, you got some more in you, Doug.
Ah!
Press it out.
Yep, I'd say we're. All I gotta do is touch him up a little.
Ah.
Looks like an axe blade. What do you know?
Huh?
So it looks like an axe blade. What do you know?
Imagine that.
Think somebody might know what they was doing, wouldn't you?
Oh, look at there. That's a good.
I can't see it.
Are you
I'll
blind?
have to wait.
Are you forge blind?
You can't see.
Well, I got spots in my
He's
eyes.
forge
I
blinded.
bet you do.
I'm forge blind.
Forge blinded. Yeah.
Take some heat and get the eye open.
Yeah, get the eye open. I want to stand it down a little right here too.